This set of colorful solar lights can be used all throughout the year and in many different scenarios. That's what I like about them is how adaptable they are. So let's get into the details of what you can expect. Once you take these out of the box, it's really just a three-step process to get them ready to go. You first turn on the switch, and depending on which direction of the switch you turn it to, it's either going to be the colorful lights that change colors or it's going to be the solid white lights. Then you put together the two spikes, which will insert into the ground. Very simple process to do. And then you actually install the spike into the holes on the back of the solar light. And at that point, the light is ready to be inserted into the ground. So that is what I did with this set of lights, and I was really looking forward to getting these put into the ground. So the first thing I did was make sure that these lights got the sunlight that they needed to charge up. And once that was done, seeing how they operate at night, it really created a nice addition to the area. And it wasn't just the spikes. I actually found some scenarios where I took those spikes off and I was able to illuminate stairways and walkways. So you can do either of those. It's a really festival decoration and they're suitable for creating that festive appearance, whether it's on Halloween or during snowy days, and you can light up entire walkways with this. By the way, once these are fully charged using the sun's energy, they have a working time of 16 plus hours. So you can really just install these and not have to worry about it. By the way, these are waterproof and high temperature resistance and cold resistance because it's made of PC and ABS material, which can better transmit the light source. The solid shell can withstand an environment of 14 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So depending on where you live, these are going to really be suitable for any type of weather condition. Again, the installation only took about 1 minute to install. And then once you have these in place, just know that each light has 12 LEDs, which really increases the brightness if you are illuminating the grass, the stairs, stone roads, fences, garden edges, and you can see all the different environments that I tested these out, and they worked amazingly in every single situation. So I'm looking forward to using these all throughout the year. If I want to change up the color modes, I can do that. If I want to change the location of them and not have them inserted into the ground, I can do that too. So 2 thumbs up for the Solpex pack of solar ground lights. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.